Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we are going to jump right into it. I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your outdated summer outfits. You all know that on this channel we're all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank, and we usually style from our closets. We only go out there to purchase when it is necessary. So for my number one point, I'm going to start from what we all know that it is very important during summertime. Even if it is not summertime, these particular things will uplift your outfit and elevate them to another level. I am talking about accessories, but in this case we're going to be talking about summer appropriate accessories. All right, we're talking about first for sunglasses. It could be any part, any type that you like. Among this one you're looking at, I have two of them. They're from Dollar Tree. Yes, two of them are from Dollar Tree and two of them are brand names, which I'm not going to mention because I am not advertising for them. Even though I mentioned Dollar Tree, I just wanted to make sure that you to know that you can style and elevate your look, either expensive or affordable or whatever way that is convenient for your pockets. Moving on to the second one is going to be art. It can be different types. This is the Fandora that I have at home, and this is the only one I have that is white, and I just feel like using white. I have other colors, but white just fit into the theme of this video, so I chose the white to present to you. So your art could be in any style that fits your style or your outfit. And also we are going to be putting all our winter shoe, spring shoe, like chunky heels, all those grandma kind of style heels. I don't know, I don't own any one of them, but of course I will insert picture for you all to see. Well, now we're going to bring out all our summer appropriate shoes. Like for example, the ones I am presenting today, it doesn't have to be this necessarily, but all these shoes that I'm featuring here right now that you're looking at, they are very summer appropriate. Moving on to number two, who says you cannot layer up during summertime? Yes, it's not only winter time or springtime or fall time that we layer up. We can layer up during the summertime at the same time. It's just going to uplift your outfits. Imagine wearing a shorts and a tank top. It's going to just look very simple, and it's not going to look elevated, and that's why it is outdated. So in order for you to layer up during your summertime, you can just put a vest on it. In this video I'm pairing a short and a body hug. You could do a tank top if that is your preference. You could do a camisole if that's your preference, but here I'm pairing white on white shorts with accessories, a belt. I hope I use one with belt, and also a vest on this particular one, which is my first outfit. And if you chose not to do short, you could do a tailored pants. You could use any kind of style of pants that you want, as long as it's pants. We are talking about pants. Then you could put a camisole under it, or whatever you want to use as your undershirts. Then you put your button shirts on top of it. In this case, you're not going to button it up, you will just let it flow. Normally you will use something like linen. In this situation, this is what I have at home, and this is what I'm going to be styling with, because this particular one that I'm wearing in this video is very light as well and very breathable. It's just like, it's not silk, but in that family line, you understand what I mean? So it's not a thick material, so I'm not going to be sweaty in it. Another reason why your summer outfit look outdated, it's wearing skinny jeans and a crop top. Just imagine a skinny jean and a crop top. The balance is not even, it's not balancing, it's not equal. It doesn't look good for some of us, and especially depending on your body shape. So in order to avoid this and elevate this look, I will recommend you switch it up with a tailored pants and a vest. That will elevate your look, will make you look more elegant and more presentable, and more fun and chic. I do not have any problem with bodycon. I wear bodycon. You all know on this channel I wear bodycon. But in this situation, when it's summertime, you don't want anything very tight on your body, just like the skinny pants, skinny jeans that I just discussed earlier on. You don't want anything too tight on you, so we're gonna stay away a little bit, a little bit from our bodycon. In this situation, you will wear flowy dress, that you can feel very, you know, very feminine, very flowy dress. It doesn't have to be the one that will make you look frumpy, but you can also do a tailored dress. This dress that I'm wearing here, I just purchased it like 3 months ago. I think I saw it on sale before summer, because we're going into summer now. Then I purchased it. I really like it. I like how flowy it is, how playful it is. I think you can wear it to the beach, and you can even dress it up just like the way I dress it up to hang out with friends, or if you have a particular occasion that you think this outfit will fit into it. Because I am the type, I will not wear one particular outfit just for one occasion. I will find a way to restyle it to fit into that occasion, and if it does not fit into it, of course I will make sure I look for something else that will fit into it, but I will give it a try first. I don't give up. Ladies, if you're still watching this video up until this time, please do not forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please like this video, and do endeavor to share this video with your friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they will find it entertaining, educative, or informative. You never can tell. Yes, I know some of us want to wear our t-shirts, especially white t-shirts, during summertime, but why your outfit will look outdated during summertime when you're pairing your white t-shirts with skinny pants or shredded jeans, it's going to look outdated. So my recommendation will be you style your tailored pants with the t-shirts, with some accessories, your belt, your glasses, your purse. It's just going to elevate it, and it will never look outdated anymore. Some of us might decide to wear crop top. If you're very comfortable with wearing crop top, yes, why not? Do you? All right, but in this situation you can see that what I'm wearing right here, it is not a crop top. I just crop it just to show you what I am going for. In order to elevate this look and make it more, you know, more chic and stylish, I decided to put a shirt on top of it. I didn't button it up, and I released the crop top just for you all to see. Look at how elegant, how put together, very simple. This look, this particular outfit that you're looking at, it does not look outdated. You know, it look modern, it look feminine, and it look fresh. And for the final look, instead of wearing shorts or camisole or tank top, which is going to make your summer outfit look outdated, I would recommend you switch the top with a long sleeve, just like the way I style it in this video. I am repeating the leopard print shirts tucked in with this short, and you all can see the difference between the shorts and camisole, and the short and the leopard tucked, button up, tucked in with accessories. All right, my ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed before, and do turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.